is up? So today is Friday. Some people call Sunday Fun Day, but I'm declaring this particular Friday Fun Day because we are on our way out to get some drone shots. Now, as I said in my previous video, I have never flown a drone before, so we'll see how this goes. Based on the videos that I've watched and the research that I've done, it looks pretty straightforward to me. Today we're going to head up to what's called the Thermalito aft bay. Try to get parked right on the edge of the water, put the drone up, and see what kind of videos we can get. My plan is to just fly it, get familiar, and then do some of the quick shots. Okay, so let's get this thing set up. My goal for the day was to successfully get video of each of the 5 quick shot modes, those being circle, helix, boomerang, rocket, and droney. After getting situated, I was able to put the drone up and into the first quick shot mode just to do a simple circle. You determine the distance and height of the drone, and once you've selected yourself or an alternate target for tracking, it's as simple as pressing start. Unfortunately, it was at this point that I encountered a problem. My gimbal stopped functioning correctly and I received an error notice that said gimbal motor overloaded. This was only the first quick shot test, but I wasn't going to give up that easily. So I took my Mini home and found out that it's a common error resulting from dust in the gimbal. After correcting the issue, I was able to get out and get the rest of the shots that I needed.